Hello everyone, Maria back with another Tech Tuesday video, and today we're going to be going over one of our databases called Fold3. Fold3 is a military records database. It includes stories, photos, documents of men and women who served with us, and just there's even an area where you can see stories of soldiers and heroes and the families that supported them. There's like memorial pages and things like that. Fold 3, the name comes from the traditional folding of the flag ceremony, in honor of the remembrance of the veterans that who served in for our country. And it's just one of those really cool websites to see, especially if you're researching genealogy, looking for somebody in your family who had passed and who served in any of the wars that even the United States has been in. But yeah, it's one of those websites that I felt like it was pivotal to kind of talk about, since we went over some of the other genealogy websites. So without further ado, let's get into it. Get rid of my little video. All right, as always, we're starting at our website, mapld.org. We're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z List, and we're going to go down to Fold3. When you click on Fold3, it's actually going to take you to this site right here. You're going to need your library card and your PIN. For some reason, if your PIN is not working, just give us a call at 708-748-4431 or email us at mtslib@mapld.org, and we can take care of that for you to get you all squared away and logged into Fold3. So once you put in your library card and your PIN, you should see this as your first page. So this is Fold3. As you can see, the front page is has the United States, which is what's always going to default, and it actually has records from other countries too. You're going to see all different types of wars that we were in, all the way up to the most recent ones. You're going to see how many records they have. There's always feature memorials of people who have passed. These are people that they highlight the website in remembrance of their service. There's also different types of memorials. So you could have the U.S. Honor Wall, the Vietnam Wall, Arizona one, and you can create a memorial page for somebody in your family or somebody close to you that you have lost, in service. They have their help page, which can show you how to basically browse through each one of the sites, profiles, your gallery, your account, if there's any problems you come up across. They also have stories, so they'll have Civil War battle stories, regiments, and they have different types of publications that will add on to this. So it's kind of cool, a little bit of the if you're a historical buff and you like those types of things. This is definitely a new one that they just basically started, so it says a little beta right here. So it's still brand new, they're working on it, so some of the services or options might be limited. You can browse. So if you're not really sure exactly, what you're looking for, you can go through, you can click on several types of different wars if you're not sure which one your person had served in, where they were located. So if they were located on a base, if they were located in a different country, different types of publications that they have here. And then these are different types of provider names. So Fold3 works with all these other types of archiving services. And then of course a branch. And if you're not sure, you could always click on more than one. And then you also have your basic search. You can filter by keywords, places, military, things like that. So cause of death, if you know any of these things here, if you know the rankings, if you know the place where birth, death. So any of the types of information that you might have, maybe you don't have a correct spelling of a name, or maybe you're not really sure exactly what day they passed. You could always start with birth date and the name too. So what I wanted to look up was actually somebody my parents knew back when they were teenagers on the southeast side of Chicago. His name is Edward Cervantes. He is actually one of the people you will see on the side of a building going towards South Chicago by Our Lady of Guadalupe Parish. There's a big memorial wall of people in the southeast side of Chicago who have passed during the Vietnam War. And it's an amazing piece of art, and it basically shows that, they're not forgotten. So you go ahead and you just type his name here, you can click on it, and as you can see, different types of dates here. I want to say I found a video on Edward Cervantes. My family knows him as Eddie. He was actually a bat boy for the Chicago White Sox, and there was a little piece done on him by PBS and the White Sox organization. I was able to get his birthday that way. So his birthday was December 19, 1946. So this would be him right here. So if you look here, you can actually see that they actually have his nickname, Eddie, here. His birthday. If you click on it, this is going to show you the Vietnam Memorial Wall and where his name is located. And then it'll show you where he was from, Chicago, his birth date, when his tour started, and unfortunately when it ended. As you can see, just like a lot of young men in Vietnam, he died at a very young age and didn't survive that long at the war. Sometimes we'll even have the cause of casualty, what regiment he was in, and then you know, if he was able to be recovered and brought back for his family. This is just a great way to kind of get connected to anybody you've lost, or you know, family member, in a way, so you can always remember them. You can also make your own little keepsakes. You can bookmark things. You can save to Ancestry, so if you're connected to Ancestry.com, so you can grow your branch and actually have everybody included, even those who have passed through to defending our country. And then if you go back down, they actually have connected memorials. So they start a memorial page, and I'm actually probably going to submit the video that I found on him from the White Sox. So even if you're not, you know, connected to him by blood or relatives, you can actually go ahead and submit something to Fold3 so they can actually have it here, and you can actually be able to see more things. So even if you're just a friend or just somebody in the, you know, community that wants to add on to somebody's memorial page, you can do that, just to basically show a little more about him. The video was great. It showed who he was, pictures when he worked with the White Sox, yeah, and his family. So I think it's just a great way for you to basically see who these people were before they passed, because they are important in history. Every person has an important role that they play, and this is a great way to memorialize them. But yeah, that is basically Fold3. You can go ahead and you can basically go ahead and search people. Like I said, you don't need to know specific records if you're not sure on spellings or places. You can try to be a little bit vague and just put in information using the comma here. If you need any help, like I said, go to help, and they'll be able to give you a couple of tutorials here, or you can always contact them. But yeah, so that's basically what it is. Remember, go to our website, mapld.org. You're going to go to Research and Learning, A to Z list. Remember, you do need your library card and your PIN to use this database. And if you have any questions, remember, you can always give us a call at 708-748-4431 or email us at mtslib@mapld.org. But until next time, like always, stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.